Hello, so in this video I wanted to show a quick trick that I can't take any credit for. I actually got it from one of the guys at ProfitBase. If you don't know them, I'll drop a link to their YouTube page in the description below. They provide and create really good visuals, and one is extremely useful for Power BI. It's a financial reporting matrix. I also did a video where I walk through essentially a dashboard / report that I built for a credit union using the visual. I'll also drop a description to that, or drop a link to that video in the description below as well. But I just wanted to show a really quick trick that one of the guys showed me. So if you're looking at my screen here, you can see that I have a KPI dashboard created, and I have in the two matrices I have a trend column at the end. And even though you can create icons within conditional formatting in Power BI, it's not as flexible as this option. And what I'll do is I'll jump over to Power BI desktop really quickly and just show you how they're actually created. And they're created using DAX. So first of all, I'll just click on the DAX formula so you can have a look at it. So I click here, and it's this one here. So you can see here that I've just a really simple formula. If the loan's variance is greater than 0, then we want the trend to be green, obviously, and if it's not, then red. But as you can probably see, I actually inserted these icons into the DAX, which I thought was a really good idea because it just gives you more options compared to the icons. There is a couple of icons that are available in the conditional formatting section within Power BI, but this just gives you much more flexibility, in my opinion. So where do you actually get these icons? If you just click the Windows key and the dot, you'll see the icons show up on my screen here, and you literally just copy these. For some reason you need to copy them into your notepad or into sticky notes, and then from there you can literally just copy them from your sticky notes or from your notepad into your DAX formula. And you can see here you've quite a couple of options for the icons, so much more than what's in Power BI for the selection. So yeah, I just wanted to make a really quick video just to show the potential with this. It's obviously not a game changer or anything like that, but it is a really cool trick to know and have up your sleeve.